Today we're laying the bricks. I talked about it in our last videos, but I'm going to say it again. Use your skid steer to put bricks in convenient places before you finish your base, before you lay your sand, so that you can save a ton of labor when it's time to start grabbing these bricks and throwing them down. You'll notice that we do not walk on our sand. We fix it as we go. You lay the bricks, you can walk on them, and you just drop sand in and level it off as you go. Do not walk on the sand. As you can see here, I'm laying a couple bricks against the wall. Reason for that is, you start with the longest, straightest part of your project. If there's a house up against it, you want your patio to be square with that house, you start there. In this case, we have a seat wall, we're starting there. I laid a couple bricks, we're gonna throw in a string line, and then we'll have our straight line. The wall may be a little wonky, be it the house or the retaining wall you built. So set a string line, you know it's gonna be straight. Once you have your soldier and your sailor course, whatever you're doing for the border, laid out there, you can start laying the body of the patio from there out, and you won't have to cut that side. Fix the sand as you go, and start laying bricks. As you start to build the body of the patio out, you're going to have to hit the bricks on the side that you're building out to keep that patio tight so that they interlock in good after you put the polymeric sand down. String lines are essential. Lay as many of them out as you can, as often as you can, and keep those lines straight. We don't want to see any crooked patios. Different bricks have different laying patterns, and your retailer will provide you with the correct pattern for the bricks you're using. I always try to stick with a herringbone because it's the tightest, strongest pattern. In this case, the bricks are two different sizes, so we just attach the small one to the big one, and we lay them down in a random fashion. It looks beautiful, you can't see a pattern, and it's super strong. This patio came out really nice in the end, but we're not done yet. We still got polymeric sand and a fire pit that the customer added into an aggregate patio at the last minute. So stay with us. I'm Scott Flanagan. I appreciate you watching these videos. I hope you enjoy watching them as much as I enjoy sharing them. If so, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, you know the rest. This video series started out with the customer talking about her experience, and you got to see the whole project from start to finish with all the final shots. We then made a whole bunch of how-tos. Every piece of this project we tried to cut down into a video under 3 minutes teaching you how to do what we do. If you want to see this series from the beginning, click on that link. If you want to see our latest videos, they're over there. If you want to see more videos about our company, they're over there. And if you haven't done so already, what are you waiting for? Subscribe!